Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with the soap making video today. So today we are doing another soap project. We are doing a soap called White Peach Prosecco or Prosecco. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So it's after the fragrance oil. It's White Peach Prosecco by Crafter's Choice. And for this one we will be using those two colors inside the soap, and then we will do piping using the neon magenta. So that's the color. I will probably put it directly into the piping. However, for the inside we are using three colors actually. One will stay without any color, and then one will have a shimmering light gold, the other one the Adobe Orange mica powder. So these are the colors. The fragrances here, I have my lye water prepped for this part of the portion, and then we have the piping portion on its own will go after. So I will start by mixing everything. We have our oils and additives. We put the lye water solution. After we have the emulsification, when the oils and butters are mixed with the lye water, we will separate it into three containers, 1, 2, and 3. Put in the colors, pour in the soap into the mold, and then we go ahead and do the piping and pipe the top. I'm not gonna pause the video. Probably I will bring you back while I'm working, but I will be fast forwarding it, so you don't have to watch all of this. Now the fragrance says that it doesn't discolor, so but still I will put it in after I mix in the colors. So let's get started. So while I wait for these colors to set up, I will mix for the piping because the fragrance is behaving really well and the batter is not moving fast. So I'll wait a little bit, put in all my fragrance in. So this is the piping part. Let me check on the batter. I think I will go with the one pot wonder. So I will add in those colors into this by turn. It's not a real one pot wonder because we already have one color in, but at least the two colors will be introduced in a swirly way. We'll see how it turns. So let's get started with this plan. So I'll do some gold, some orange, gold, orange, and move into the other side. Not sure if you can see it properly here. Then I'll do some from the front. And then a little bit here. And I'll start pouring. I'll get the mold and do like that. Now whatever is left, we'll just twirl them together. Scrape it. I will pause you for a second, tap this on the floor. I'll bring you in after the piping is ready to be piped. So here we go again. Here we are, ready to pipe the soap. This magenta color is so nice. So I mixed in some mica with alcohol, golden mica, and I thought, let's do the top with this. It will give it a very nice shimmer gold top. And then we put some alcohol to finish with. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Peach Prosecco Soap by Morfosoaps. The cut will be tomorrow. Thank you. So hello again, this is the next day we're cutting this soap. This is the White Peach Prosecco Soap by Morfosoaps. Let's look how it looks from the inside. Twirly, and this piping color looks really nice and fancy with the golden on top. So that's our soap for this week, ladies and gentlemen. Until next week, I'll see you again with another soap making video. Until then, you take care of yourselves, you stay positive and keep smiling. Bye for now.